Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add YouTube with a better UI on the Steam Deck. Now this will be the same UI that you can find on smart TVs as well as other media devices. The main reason to do this is that it will allow you to control YouTube using the Steam Deck's controller, and it just looks nicer on the Steam Deck when compared to the desktop version of YouTube. Basically how all this is going to work is that we're going to use a Chrome extension that will trick YouTube into thinking it's on a smart TV, therefore showing us the better UI. So let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to go into desktop mode. Once you're in desktop mode, you need to open up Google Chrome and install a browser extension. Name of the extension is User Agent Switcher. And click on the one that says User Agent Switcher for Chrome. Press Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and now it's installed. Next, there will be a link in the description. It will open up to this website here. And this will contain a whole bunch of user agents for an LG Smart TV. You're going to want to copy the one that says Chrome 94. The last Chrome 94 one also have this block of text in the description, so you can just copy it straight from there. So you want to click on it and just copy all the text. Now go up to the extensions bar, click on User Agent Switcher, right click it, and press Options. At the top here, it will have an option to add your own user agent. You're just going to paste in the text you copied earlier. You can also name it. I'm just going to name it YouTube. And you also need an indicator flag. I'll just put TV. Once you have all that set, you can just go up here and press Add. The next step is to go over to the permit spoof list on the side over here. For the domain, you want to have this text right here. I'll have it down in the description so you can just copy it from there and paste it into here. Once you have that, you want to make sure you select away from default and go to the user agent that you just added, wherever you called it. In my case, I called it YouTube, and then press Add. To test that it's working correctly, just go to the YouTube link, and you'll see the YouTube logo, and you'll see the TV layout. Now to make it appear inside of Steam, you want to go to the application menu, find Chrome, once you find it here, you're going to right click on it and press Add to Steam. Once you have it added to Steam, you're going to return back to gaming mode. Once you're back inside gaming mode, just go to Google Chrome, go over to Settings, go down to Properties, and go down to Launch Options. You're going to add a few arguments here. At the end, you're going to add a hyphen and type in kiosk. This will make Google Chrome open up inside full screen, so there won't be any title bar up here. Now we're going to type in that same link that goes to youtube.com. It'll be down in the description. Once you have all that inputted, just go up to the top here and you can rename it to YouTube. And you're done. So you can go over to here, press play, and it will start up YouTube. When you first load it up, you notice that you won't be able to use the D-pad or the analog stick to navigate the UI. To fix this, press the Steam button, go into controller settings, and add a new layout. The layout I have set up here is how I have it set up. You can copy this all down, and it will allow you to navigate the YouTube UI. Alright, now I'll just play a video to show that it does work. You press Steam, press X to open up the on-screen keyboard, which I find better than the YouTube keyboard. As you can see, YouTube works perfectly fine. You can use the buttons to pause, sound works, and you can navigate through the UI.